Coletta from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now today I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a voice recovery workout. I'm just recovering from a bit of a cold, sore throat and cough myself, and my voice is in some desperate need of TLC, and I thought that maybe, just maybe, there's a couple of people out there where they need to do a little bit of a voice recovery workout too. Maybe your voice is in need of some TLC. But in a moment we're going to be running through a few exercises that are really just going to help the voice to get back on track, especially if you're recovering from a cold, or even if your voice, is just generally being fatigued. Then you can do this workout with me. It's just a quick workout that you can do on a daily basis whilst you're recovering. But it wouldn't be right for me to talk about giving the voice a little bit of TLC without first mentioning the basics of vocal health, which is vocal hydration. Now we know that staying hydrated is good for the body. If it's good for the body, it's good for the voice. And when it comes to the vocal cords, keeping them well hydrated and well lubricated is going to help them vibrate better for singing, because the vocal cords vibrate at ridiculous speeds per second when it comes to singing. So we want them to be well lubricated so that they can really vibrate freely, which is going to equal better singing. But I want you to make sure that your voice is well hydrated when it comes to doing this workout. Make sure that you're staying hydrated as much as possible, even just as you're recovering. But another way that you can really, just help keep your vocal cords hydrated and well lubricated is by nebulizing. Nebulizing is going to instantly hydrate the vocal cords, and it's really going to be beneficial, especially whilst you're on the road to recovery. But here is my nebulizer. Just nebulizing for a few times a day, especially whilst you're on the road to recovery, is really going to be beneficial for your voice, and it's really just going to help with the recovery process. But I'm a huge fan of nebulizing, and I'll leave a link below so that you can find out a little bit more about that in one of my previous videos, and I'll leave a link so that you can purchase one if you want. But nebulizing is amazing. Without further ado, let's do the exercises. So we're going to be sticking to our semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, because these just really allow the voice to vocalize with the most amount of ease. We're going to start out with some gentle humming with vocal fry. Doing vocal fry is like giving your vocal cords a really nice massage, and you just want to ensure that you keep it nice and relaxed throughout. You don't want to force it in any way. Keeping it as relaxed as possible. You can do that for a few more minutes, and then we're going to take it to the scale. Nice and relaxed. Just being mindful of your airflow on the start. You don't need as much air as you think you need. Good. And then we're going to bring it back down. Are you joining in, Ocean, huh? Keeping that going. All right, and we're going to bring it back down. Just being mindful of your airflow. So the next exercise is the straw. We're going to do the straw on pitch glides. That's going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down. And we're going to again include vocal fry in that. So you just want to go where it's comfortable for your voice. Just keep it nice and relaxed. Remember, again, it's all about recovery. We don't want to force it in any way. All right, so let's take it to the scale. Continuing on. Just keeping it nice and relaxed. Again, airflow. Always talk about airflow because we don't need to use as much as we do. Good, keep that going. Gonna bring it back down in a moment. Just one more. Only go as comfortable as it feels at this time, okay? As you're recovering. Keep it going. And this is the last one. Are you joining in? Good, keep it going. My daughter's here whilst I'm recording this, so you may hear her in the background. Keep sliding through those notes. Good. We're going to bring it back down in a moment. Nice and back down. Just taking our time. Good. And we're almost done. Just one more after this. Let me know how you get on in the comment section below with these exercises. So that is it for the voice recovery workout. Remember, it's all about recovery, so we don't want to force the voice or push it in any way. We want the voice to gradually flex and stretch as we're really building these healthy coordinations. Now, doing this for a few times a week whilst you're in the process of recovering is just really going to be beneficial, and it's really going to help you along the path of recovery. If you're liking these workouts, you can find more of them on my Voice Savvy app, which is free. You can download it for free on the App Store and Google Play, and there's also a desktop version of the app as well, and I'll leave the links below so that you can get that. There's some really cool challenges on there that you can try out too. Also, I'll leave the links below for the singing straw, which I used in this workout. You can get a 20% discount when you use my promo code CM Vocal Coach. Links will be below, and also I'll leave a link for my nebulizer as well, or my nebulizers, because I've got a couple. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Subscribe, like, and share the videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. And I think that's pretty much it from me. So, until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.